Hi friends, this is Nitisha. Today's topic is rate analysis. Why we have to do rate analysis? That means before construction of a structure, we have to calculate the cost of the structure so that the contractor or builder kept the amount ready for construction of the structure. In this video, we will see the how to calculate the quantities of cement, sand and aggregates, and also we will see the how to calculate the rate of the aggregates for any type of the grade, that is M10 or M20 or M25 or M30 or for any type of the grade of concrete, how to calculate we will see. Here we will take the M25 grade of concrete. Here M is the mix and 25 is the characteristics comprehensive strength of the concrete at 28 days. 25 Newton for mm square. The proportion of the M25 grade is 1:2. Here 1 is the cement, this 1 is the sand and this 2 is the aggregate. That means cement, sand and aggregate. These three ingredients are when mixed with the water, it becomes a concrete. It becomes a concrete. In that the volume is increased by 54%. Why? Because these three ingredients are dry aggregates. In dry aggregates, air voids are there. In sand, 20% of air voids are there. In aggregates, 34% of air voids are there. Whereas in the case of cement, cement is have very fine particle, so that here air voids are negligible. Here, when these aggregates are mixed with water, the air voids are filled with water. That means 20 plus 34 is the 54. So that the volume is increased by 54%. Now, calculating the quantity of concrete. Quantity of concrete. For rate analysis purpose, we are calculating the quantity for 1 cubic meter. So that calculating for 1 cubic meter and 54% of volume is increased. That means 1 plus 0.54. Here we will get the 1.54 cubic meter. Quantity of the concrete is 1.54 cubic meter. Now calculating the quantity of cement. Quantity of cement. Here 1.54 by the adding the proportions. We are calculating for 1:1:2. Adding the proportion, that means 1 plus 1 plus 2. That equal to 1.54 by 1 plus 1 plus 2 is the 4. After calculation we will get 0. Generally in practical the cement is available in bags. The weight of the each cement bag is 50 kgs. The volume of this bag is 0.035 cubic meters. This cubic meter we are converting into the number of bags. Number of bags of cement is equal to 0.385 by the volume of the cement bag is 0.035. Here we will get the 11 bags. The cost of the each bag is 400 rupees. Now the total amount required for the cement is 11 bags and each bag cement cost is 400. That means we will get 4,400 rupees. The cost of the cement is 4,400 rupees. Now we are calculating the quantity of the sand. Quantity of sand. Quantity of cement we get as 0.385 and the proportion of the sand here is 1. We are multiplying with the 1. So that we will get as 0.385 cubic meters. Cost of the sand is 1500 rupees for 1 meter cube. Now amount required for sand is 0.385 into 1500. So that we will get 577.5 rupees. We will take it as a 580 rupees. Now we are calculating the quantity of aggregates. The quantity of the cement is 0.385 into the proportion of the aggregates as 2. The proportion of the aggregates is 2. So that we are multiplying with 2. Then we will get 0.77 cubic meter. The cost of the aggregate for 1 meter cube is 900 rupees. So that amount required for the aggregate is 0.77 into 900 rupees. So that we get as 693 rupees. Now total amount required for the materials is the amount required for cement is 4,400 plus the amount required for the sand is 580 rupees. The amount required for the aggregate is 693 rupees. We will get 5,673 rupees. For this amount we are adding the 5% extra for transportation charge and tools. Add 5% extra for transportation and tools. That means 5,673 into 5% extra. That means 5 by 100. Here we will get 283 rupees. Now add 1% extra for safety. That is 5,673 into 1% extra. That means 1 by 100. Here we will get 57 rupees. We are adding the labor charges also in this. Adding labor charges. For constructing of 1 meter cube, we need 1 mason and 2 helpers. For 1 mason charge we paid for 1 day is 800 rupees. For 1 helper we paid per day is 500. 800 into 1 because 1 mason is required per day. That is 800. Here 2 helpers are there. That means 500 into 2. That is 1000. Total we get as 1800. Labor charges as 1800. Now the total amount is amount for materials required is 5,673. For transportation and tools charges 284 rupees plus safety purpose 1% is 57 rupees and labor charges is 1800 rupees. We will get 7,814 rupees. For this we are adding 15% extra because overhead charges and profit. That is 7,814 into 15%. That is 15 by 100. Here we will get the 11,072.1. We taken as 11,072 rupees. Adding these two, we will get the total amount required for 1 cubic meter of concrete. Total amount required is 7,814 plus 1172. Here we will get 1,986 rupees. This is the total amount required for constructing of a 1 cubic meter of concrete. The same procedure is followed for the all grades. Friends, if you like the video, subscribe and share the video. Bye friends.